Mike Hughes here. I'm at the Amoray Dive Resort, and I'm here with Jeff. Jeff, you want to tell us a little bit of where are we in Florida?
So we're in Key Largo. We're right at the top of Key Largo at 104. So when you come into the Keys, you're at 106. Come down 2 miles down. It's just on the right-hand side.
Okay, and this is a picture of what the resort looks like.
Right, and we're the only truly dedicated dive resort in America. So we have 32 rooms, a lot of different types of rooms, and a dive center right in the middle of the resort. We have a bayside pool, and the dive boat is right there. So literally you can walk from your room just under the palm tree, past the tiki hut, straight onto the boat.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how many dive destinations do you have out there?
Well, we dive in all of the Pennycamp State Park. We have a lot of special protected areas.
Right.
So from our dive center, we come out, we go through Adams Cut, which is cut straight through the island, and straight out through Pennycamp Park and out to the dive sites. We have everything from the Spiegel Grove, which is a wreck which is deep.
I've heard of it.
To all sorts of shallow dives, Molasses Reef, all the way up to Elbow Reef, all the way up to Carey's Fort. So we really encapsulate the best diving there is in the Keys.
Cool.
For sure.
So how many dives do you do a day there?
We have 2 departures, 8:30 and 1 o'clock, and those are 2 tank dives. So 2 departures of 2 tank dives every single day.
Okay. Yeah. Well, thank you for that. And so if they wanted more information about your operation in the resort, they would go to the peacelovedive.com.
Peacelovedive.com.
All right.
That's our motto, peace, love, and diving. We are very family and female friendly. It's a great place to come. Yeah.
All right. Thank you very much.